Today, several hospital leaders warned there is no more room in their intensive care units. The surge in COVID cases has left some patients waiting now hours in the emergency rooms. KCTV5's Greg Payne is live for us now in our newsroom. Greg, I know this crunch has a widespread impact.
Carolyn, we talk about the hospitals being busy, but another group in the metro that works hand in hand with the hospitals has found themselves driving around a whole lot more.
It's busy.
As the KC Metro hospitals are seeing a larger demand, so are EMS and first responders,
Feeling a little better after that?
whose job it is to transport these patients.
The volume is up. We've seen, an increase in calls, and so it's busy on all of our personnel.
Michael Latta, the division chief at the Kansas City Fire Department, says they work alongside EMS crews, splitting time during their shifts on a fire truck and ambulance. But while it may be busier,
We deal with it almost on a daily basis, regardless of how it's been right now.
their secret to getting through it is a system between them, the dispatchers, and the hospitals that alerts them of how busy the area facilities are.
Our dispatch center that tells us what hospitals are on high volume, which ones are not, as well as who's on trauma divert or a STEMI or a stroke, a heart attack or a stroke.
Latta says they have seen a number of ambulances from surrounding areas coming here to KC, dropping off patients. As for their local group, they've been able to transport patients to the emergency rooms within the KC Metro. But the commute gets longer for patients already in the hospital.
We've had to go get them from the hospital and take them to be admitted in other hospitals, really around the region and across a couple states.
A lot of driving, which is why federal strike teams of ambulances are currently assisting in the city and throughout the state, providing a blessing for the local crews.
It's been a needed relief for our crews.
Latta says there is a total of 11 ambulances within that federal strike team helping here in Kansas City. At this time, officials say there is no timetable of how long they will be helping here. Brad and Carolyn.